Hi guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to talk about the difference between the pillar. Now, why we are talking about difference between the pillar? Because there is a question about it on this particular one. So it says like identifying difference between pillars of well-architected framework. So this is going to be coming in your exam, at least one question from this, where they will either ask you from the pillar or the differences between the pillars. Now, what this means is that in terms of each of these pillars, right, we are going to understand the focus and the key outcome of this so that you will actually or naturally know the differences between them. So in terms of operational efficiency, we understood that monitoring, automate, and improve your service, right? So how are you going to do that? By using these key outcomes, like ensuring consistent operations with continuous feedback and improvement. So that's how you can achieve operation excellency. Now, in terms of security, protecting system, data, and asset. These are the three critical values, and ensuring the data's integrity, confidentiality, and protecting against threats. So these are some important key outcomes over here. In terms of reliability, recovering from failures, system resilience, and you need to make sure that your system is available all the time. So that's one of the reliabilities oriented focus. And the key outcome of this is ensuring system are always available and can recover from failures faster than ever. So that's something which is very much needed. So auto scaling and other stuff which we have seen in terms of reliability, we can understand that. And then performance efficiency. This is where we talk about the efficiency of your system performance, like in terms of when there is an increased performance, you increase the number of instances. When you have the decreased performance, you decrease the number of instances to save a lot of cost. And in terms of cost optimization, we are speaking about running workload as minimum cost and reducing the operational cost by maintaining performance and availability. And next one important, the new one is the sustainability, where we talk about the minimum environment impact by having a less carbon foot or no carbon foot. By understanding the energy efficiency or the goal of your company, and you take those services like region powered by renewable energy and see which regions are powered by renewable energy, and hosting your content on that region will enable the efficiency in terms of the environment impact. So these are some of the differences between pillars. So there may be a question. That's why I added this video. Thank you again for this. I will see you on the next one.